YouTube channel where kids can learn how to tap dance. First we have James, who's 3, and we have Patrick. Patrick, do you want to come out here?
I just making waffles. Don't see.
Patrick, how old are you?
5.
And we have Dana. Why don't you come out and say it in front of the camera? He's almost as big as me. Sadie, how old are you?
9.5.
Once a week, we're going to be posting a video where you learn a new step. We'll teach it in a way for a little kid to learn, and then a little bigger kid, and then a big kid. So, let's get started. First step that we are going to be learning, the toe heel is where you step down on your toe, and then you step down on your heel without lifting your toe.
That's toe. That's toe.
Heel. So for your bigger kids, this is pretty easy.
Toe.
Toe, heel. Toe, heel. Toe, heel. Yeah, I'll do it sideways so you guys can see. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. You're getting the hang of it. We practiced for a long time today. But the way I taught James first this morning, and he was having a little bit of a hard time. Can you come over here, James? To teach James this morning was I had him hold onto my shoulders. Hold onto my shoulder, James. Step down, toe, and then heel. Toe, and then heel. So you just find out the hang of it. And then, once you got the hang, he was having a hard time feeling. Once you got the hang of that, then you stood up. We helped him to undo that. Ready? We went toe, heel. Toe. Step on your toes. Step, step, step. Toe, heel. Toe, heel. Heel. Toe, tap your toes. Tap your toes. Heel. Toe, toe, heel.
Can I try?
Yeah, take you out of your foot. So you let your foot down like that. So that you can like that. Toe, heel. Say 5, 6, 7, 8. No, you need to be up. You go right there. You want your turn practicing. Let's okay, James. You want to come and show us what you practice now, Jamesy?
Yeah.
Your toe feels better.
After one right together.
Now, we've been practicing a lot. Let's see. You want to do it facing the camera? You want to face your knee?
No.
Let's see. Your knee up high. Toe, heel. Toe,
You got the hang of it, James? Let's go that.
Ready? We're going to do our toe heels. Ready? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Ready? As fast as I am. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is a really basic step, but with time you can put it together to make something cool. So like, good job! And that is the toe heel or ball heel. And that is our first lesson.
Yeah, now we all do this stuff.
Really, really our first lesson. So we're learning, just like you're learning. And the more that you tap dance, the easier it gets. And the easier it's going to get for everybody here. The easier it'll get for you. Hit subscribe if you want to learn how to tap dance for more videos like these. Ring the bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. We hope you with a tap dancing lesson once a week. And we will see you next time. Bye!